Hi, it's Colleen from Tuscan Women Cook, and today in our series of bringing Italy to you, we are making limoncello, one of our all-time favorites. If you've been to Italy, you've had it for sure. It's served very cold from the freezer, and it takes a process. So we're going to go through that today really quickly and talk to you a little bit about the limoncello. You're going to have a quart of, I use vodka, but you can, the really traditional way is to use a 95% proof alcohol. So be careful because that'll get you. But we are using just any kind of vodka that you like. I'd say use something that you'll want to drink. It doesn't give you a screaming headache. We're going to take the peel, not the white pith, but just the peel, being careful just to do the white pith of the lemons. And these are actually still warm from the tree. So if you could feel this, it's just beautiful. We're just gonna peel these. This is 10, so this is number 10. 10 peels to the quart of vodka. And the traditional limoncellos are made with Sorrento lemons. And they're hard to find. They don't grow really outside of Italy too much. However, we can grow them in California. And so I'm in California right now, sadly not in Italy at the moment. But I planted a Sorrento lemon tree years ago, not specifically for limoncello, but they're just delicious and they're really pretty tree too. So I have a tree. So my other lemon tree is prolific right now, as yours are probably as well. But so we only had a couple, Sorrento lemons to use for this recipe. The rest are the ones from my tree. So my other tree. These are the peeled lemons. We're gonna have to make a lot of good recipes with this. So I will squeeze these and freeze them in bags. So none of this is going to waste. We've got our lemon peels. We're going to put them in a jar. My other jar that I usually use is being used right now, so I couldn't use it. But this one, I'll cover, these will soak up. We'll put it in a closet for a week or so, maybe 10 days. And I found a green one, I don't like that. So we'll just finish this off. I'm gonna cover this really tightly, pat it down. And then just so if you wanna do this at home and you don't wanna wait that long, you really do need to let the lemons absorb the alcohol. But we will come back after a week and finish this off and show you how to package it up. We're back. We've waited 2 long weeks for our lemons to get nice and juicy with the vodka that we did. 6 cups of water to 4 cups of sugar. You can use less. You can also mix this up a lot of ways. You can use mandarin. You can use all kinds of things in this. So we're just going to get this to a simple syrup, drain our lemons, and so we've taken our vodka and lemon mixture, strained it into a container, added the sugar, the simple syrup. But I want to show you, you want to keep these. Don't throw them out because you can dry them, lay them out, dry them, and you make candied lemon peels. You can use these for many, many things. You put it on fish and chicken. It's a really good thing to keep. So we've also these are great gifts. So we do this a lot, and it's easy peasy and simple. We also, because in honor of Mother's Day, we've taken our limoncello and we've made a limoncello cake by our dear friend George Geary, and it's georgegeary.com. You can find him on our website. He's just an amazing baker, and we just adore him. So this is his recipe. And we have just added some of our homemade limoncello to this. It's good to freeze this, I should say, before you drink it, and even a month or so, but we've already waited 2 weeks, so probably not happening. But anyway, just have our lemon cake, a limoncello cake here, care of George Geary. We're bringing Italy to you, and please find this and our other recipes at TuscanWomenCook.com, and have a very beautiful Mother's Day.